Little Blue Truck's Springtime.
Fat Cat Books. Please subscribe and press the bell.
Little Blue Truck's Springtime. Written by Alice Shirtle and illustrated by Jill McElmry.
Read by Teacher Mike.
Beep, 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 beep. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are out for a drive on a beautiful spring day. Who will they see along the way? Beep. Let us meet all of the sweet baby animals just born on the farm.
What animals can you see in the picture?
Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a yoo-hoo, sky blue spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo! Sheep! Beep beep! What's new? A little white lamb and a twin lamb too.
There is a little lamb and two baby lambs in the barn.
Who's out swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo, duck! And Ducklings 9!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ducklings and 1 mama duck in the pond.
The 9 little ducklings are swimming in a straight line. Yoo-hoo! Goat! What do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Yoo-hoo, cow! Just munching corn? Yoo-hoo, little calf! Just born! Mama Pig, who's in your pen? The pen is the name for the pig's home on the farm. Yoo-hoo, Piglets! 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 piglets and 1 mama pig in the pen.
Ears in clover? That looks funny. Hippity hoppity! Yoo-hoo, bunny!
Can you see the bunny? It's here.
Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. There are so many bunnies. How many can you see? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bunnies hiding in the field of clover and many other beautiful flowers. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap. Anyone home? Who's inside this smooth, round dome? Crickety crack! Everybody shout! Yoo-hoo, chick! Come on out! Yoo-hoo, sun! Yoo-hoo, sky! Yoo-hoo, white clouds sailing by! Birds that sing, frogs that leap! Yoo-hoo, spring! Beep, beep, beep!
Get your free Easter activity pack at fatcatbooks.uk.
I have many other phonics materials, such as my audio flashcard pack, which comes with a virtual teacher, which allows your child to discover the words with a press of a finger. I also have an awesome colouring poster pack, which is great for decorating the room. I also have a complete comprehensive course of phonics programs. If you're left frustrated looking for a fun and engaging learn-to-read curriculum but feel overwhelmed by the choice, then look no further. My phonics programs have everything you need. I developed my phonics programs over many years of teaching, and I'm excited to bring them to you. All you need to do is follow my systematic, easy-to-follow 4-step lessons. Each lesson builds up on the previous lesson and ensures your child will commit what they've learned to memory. I've taught thousands of kids and they're all happy readers. There's no preparation needed or major lesson planning. It covers everything you need to build up blending and decoding skills. By the end of the programs, your child will be able to read up to 80% of the words they'll encounter at their age. The programs include real teacher videos hosted by me, Teacher Mike. Also original stories, 2 course books filled with colourful fun activities, which are available as printed books, but currently only for selected countries. So check it out, see if it's available where you are. It also includes a huge set of printable flashcards, over 1,300 across the programs, and a virtual teacher. The virtual teacher is a very powerful yet simple tool. Children can learn to sound out and read all the words and the stories with just a press of the button. They can even do the exercises first on the virtual teacher before doing it in the book. This makes it great for the classroom, allowing activities to be done as a group. Also, all pronunciations are provided with a video of me saying the word, which makes it much easier for non-native speakers to learn how to say the word, as they can visually see how it's formed. The virtual teacher also includes fun, colourful games to make learning super fun. It runs on PowerPoint, so no installation is required, no internet is required, you can learn anytime, anywhere. So, you don't need any experience or need to do any major preparation. You don't need to install anything or log in every time you want to use it. It's an effortless program guaranteed to get your child reading. So check it out now at fatcatbooks.uk, or if you have further questions, you can contact me with the links in the description. Goodbye, see you next time.
Yellow and blue, make it a split, split, split. Then I'll dance just like a bunny. Wiggle my nose up, so funny. Hop, 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 oops.